welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, make sure you click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you are always notified whenever I do upload. It is Kimi K and you are here on my channel. And if you are returning K-word, thank you for coming back so much. So we are going to begin with a hair review with my lovely model, which is my mom, Miss K. So let's get into it. I do have a new wig by Zury. It is a braided Dutch wig. It is the style 360 BD slash lace H Rimi. I do have the color, I forget what the color is, but I will leave it down below. It is like a golden blonde up top, and then the ends are a 613. So I think it is a 613 that I do have. And so as you can see, it does come with baby hairs all around the perimeter of the wig. Like I said, it is a 360 wig, and then you do get a vertical hand side part. So on the inside of the wig, you are going to have 4 combs on top, 2 combs in the back with the adjustable straps. And this wig, it is big head friendly. Because it is braided up, I did not get much shedding at all, and the braids can be taken down, so you can wear this wig like completely down, like it's going to be a middle part, so you can wear it down in its natural wavy state, or you can pull it up into like little space buns that I do show you on the stock card. I did not take this wig apart. I did keep it as is, so I do apologize for that, because y'all probably more than likely wanted to see it taken apart, but I didn't do it. I just left it in the Dutch braid style. And then the strings that you do see on the wig, those do come with the unit, so I did not mess with those at all. Those will come as is, and when you do get the wig, it is automatically already in the braid pattern. So starting now, I did go ahead and put foundation on the lace, because the lace is going to be a medium brown. I did have to put lace on the, or I'm sorry, I did have to put foundation on the lace, as well as in the parting in the middle of the vertical part. I did put foundation on there just to go ahead and kind of lighten, excuse me, just go ahead and kind of lighten up the lace a little bit, because it is a little bit too dark. The baby hairs on this wig are like so freaking bomb. You do not have to pluck the baby hairs. The hairline is freaking bomb. Also, it does look very, very natural. So before putting on the wig, if you do want to put foundation on below the lace, then I would suggest doing that rather than on top. That way you're not getting foundation on the hair. Other than that, this wig was freaking bomb. It fit amazing. The braids are braided like really nice. It was very pretty. This wig, it does come in different colors. It does not only come in this blonde unit if you do not want blonde, but the unit does look freaking bomb. It's really not much you have to do to this wig at all. So this wig will be available to purchase between mid to late September, so it should be coming up very, very soon. So if you like this video, make sure you do give the video a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this makeup look, it will be posted up soon, so make sure you have your bell turned on. That way you are notified whenever that video does upload. And I will see you guys in my next video.